Good morning, Dags. Hi, how are you? Okay, our lesson for today is about honeybees. Dags, look at me. You listen, okay? You know honeybees? Oh, you listen, huh? Honeybees are pollinators. And what do you mean by pollinators? Next, I told you to listen, okay? What is pollinator? Next, I told you to listen. Okay? Pollinators are animals that move pollen from male part of a flower. And that is what you call the anther to the female part and what you call stigma to produce the plant, which helps plant produce seeds, fruits, and new plants. Hey, Dex, do you understand what I'm saying? Dex! Oh, come on. You listen.